Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese omelet. First, let's get organized. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of milk or water, and about 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese, diced small. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula on hand. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of milk or water, and whisk them vigorously until they are light and slightly frothy. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for flavor. Next, place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about 1 teaspoon of butter, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Once your pan is ready, pour in the whisked egg mixture. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. As the omelet is almost set but still a little moist on top, sprinkle your diced cheese over 1/2. To finish, carefully fold the plain half of the omelet over the cheese-filled side. Let it cook for another 30 seconds, allowing the cheese to melt perfectly. Then, gently slide your beautifully cooked cheese omelet onto a plate. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious creation. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.